Principles of the Japanese diet is based on three important points. The first one is moderation. What do they mean by moderation? What they say is that you should follow the principle of moderation, right? In fact, there is a particular culture as far as moderation of diet is concerned, and it is called Hara Hachibu. And I've already made a video on Hara Hachibu. It's extremely interesting. Please do watch it if you have not watched it, and do share it with your friends because it's good for everyone, right? So this Hara Hachibu in nutshell, basically tells you that you should stop eating when your stomach is 80% full, right? What happens in India? We eat more than 100%, and then our near and dear ones, they pump more food and make you eat more than 100 and 200%. So that's the irony here, right? So by practicing portion control and avoiding overeating, the Japanese maintain a healthy lifestyle. In fact, they maintain a healthy weight. They reduce the risk of obesity, right? The second thing is the variety. So when they talk about variety, the Japanese diet is highly diverse, right? It incorporates a wide array of seasonal ingredients, and it has a rich mix of nutrients, right? So the Japanese meals are basically the assortment of vegetables, fish, legumes, rice, and fermented foods, ensuring that the body receives a broad spectrum of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. So the Japanese value seasonal eating, which means consuming fresh, locally grown produce at its speed. And the third important thing when you talk about Japanese diet, the principles of Japanese diet, is the mindfulness, right? What is mindful eating? Mindful eating is another key principle of Japan which underpins the Japanese approach of food, right? This means you sit down, the act of sitting down to a meal, fully appreciating the flavors, textures, and presentation of food is an important cultural practice in Japan. You remember in India, in the ancient years, we used to sit down on the ground, have our food, appreciate it, have it bite to bite, and we were in no hurry, and we were not distracted with mobile phones or TV or any other thing. But today, the things have changed, right? And if you see in West, they are rushing for food. They are busy. They are doing 10 things and they are eating the food very fast, which is not mindfulness, right? So mindfulness is very, very important approach of Japan, apart from the variety and apart from the moderation principle.